These tiny mechanical toys are getting millions of views, and almost no one knows how they're actually made. Pages are hitting 20 to 30 million views per video, and since they're over a minute long, they're making real money. So I tried it myself, and this took me less than 5 minutes. A simple cube transforming into a mechanical dragon. No 3D skills, no complex software, just AI. Step 1. Generate an idea. Use ChatGPT to get a mechanical toy concept. It gives you a before image, an after image, and a motion prompt. Step 2. Create the images. Paste the first prompt into an AI image tool. This is your starting object. Then generate the second image. Same object, fully transformed. Keep the lighting and angles similar. That's what makes it feel realistic. Step 3. Animate it using Google Flow AI. Upload your first image as the start frame and the second image as the end frame. Paste the motion prompt and let the AI handle the transformation. In seconds, you get this, a smooth, satisfying mechanical transformation. It works because people love motion, precision, and transformation. It's simple but addictive to watch. You don't need expensive tools, you just need the right workflow. Follow for more viral AI content ideas and start creating before this gets saturated.